We begin on our top story tonight. Millions of dollars in state funding will go to a handful of Southern Oregon behavioral health resources. Thanks for joining us for Newswatch 12 at 6. I'm Haley Gravitt. Newswatch 12's Tim Quintadamo spoke to a pair of some organizations earlier today about how this money will help expand their services.
Today, Oregon Governor Tina Kotek signed House Bill 5204. The bill allocates funding throughout the state for education, criminal justice, and the expansion of some health services. Of those services is Klamath Basin Behavioral Health, who is getting $2.4 million in state funding.
The entirety of that funding will be closing the funding gap on a new residential and respite and crisis stabilization facility. What this facility is going to do is double our current capacity for residential services and also for respite services to 16 beds each.
The new facility will also have 5 chairs for short-term crisis stabilization. And KBBH is not the only organization in Southern Oregon to benefit from this funding. In Jackson County, Medford's Addictions Recovery Center will get $1.5 million to operate and expand their withdrawal management services.
There's a crossover with behavioral health and substance use disorder. The one thing we know is that peer services are a trauma-informed approach that really does result in better outcomes for individuals in our community. The withdrawal management really is that one of the earlier steps that allows people a lot of times the ability to then engage in a healthier plan moving forward, and we're glad that we can be part of that.
Both of these facilities plan to break ground in May of this year and hope to serve patients in 2025. In Klamath and Jackson counties, Tim Quintadamo, Newswatch 12.